Welcome to Amabenzo TV. Get your Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Scotland 0. I'm joined by Scalo.
Hey, my brother.
Yeah, sure.
Shapuzi.
I can not leadership.
Hey, the future is bright.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
That's all Fagile Mazada.
Yeah, I can see the future, my brother.
It's very bright. Yeah.
You know, he always used to say, we are cooking.
Yes. Sure.
At the cruise high.
Yeah.
It's dishing.
Yeah.
This season is called Operation Teka Hinkwa.
And the Selecadi, you know.
You know, people will say that, hey, what, but already you are in a final.
Yes.
Levels, my brother.
Yeah.
Levels.
Because it's a final.
Yeah, you don't play.
You got the group stage.
We got the dusting. No, No.
Yeah.
You still
level. You got the level.
So, from the point of today, it shows that the boys are ready.
Yeah.
Well, I was not happy with how we substituted. Like, we really have to try the new players.
Yeah.
But credit to the coach.
Sure.
We show Mfundo Villagas. We've always advocated for him to start and finish the game.
Yeah.
Chislet.
Yeah.
Is good. He played the game. There was no injury. There was no cramps there.
Yes.
Like we were told and made to believe that he's injury prone.
Sure.
He cannot finish the game. He cannot start the game.
Yes.
So it was good. Also for Igadoro, I saw he was a bully in front.
Yeah.
Not only was waiting to receive the ball. So it shows that the cruise is really dishing, my brother.
Yeah,
and the spice that is got is very good. It better 6 gun. Yeah, it's only 6 gun because the players are playing, they are fighting.
Yeah.
So if we are 6 gun, I have a tanya.
Yeah, Libo Raja.
The whole village, the whole area will hear already. Kaizer Chiefs is there.
Yeah.
That's how dangerous we are. So I can't wait for the season to start.
Yes.
Because honestly speaking, this season is going to be very interesting.
Yes.
Already babangwe abasa itshepa because ba rekisitse di player ba bangwe ba re he khona le lisura ramona. So already there are excuses.
Yeah.
While Rona we are putting the most dangerous spice there.
Yes.
You understand? So when you are bringing excuses, now you are bringing the points. It's always the case. You know why? Even if I was BK this season, Gelele Pirates, Nikutoja fast. Also, you want Chiefs inside Galache now when I was at the Pirates, Uto Yemel. I get that attack. ke batho ba le ba hlopegile too much gore ntongoleng ba e winang ba feel ngare ke ba achievile bona no bona le cup le sekukuni sina le cup the levels sekukuni ba winisitse motho koloi sekukuni se ba petse game ya mathomo ya final bona bana thoma lo ya final aba levels aba compete le bo Spain re batla the World Cup champions. That's how dangerous we are.
Aye Zimbabwe for tax the guy.
Man of the match for now. I'll give it to Mfundo. Now you know even here I've always advocated for Mfundo Villagas to start with us and finish the game. For him to be given that opportunity.
90 minutes.
Yeah, and then if I substitute him for the Villagas, I'll give it to Da Cruz.
Yeah, Da Cruz.
He's my man of the match.
10 minutes. I'm happy.
You know, the way we are playing, my brother,
it shows already that spice
It's a day.
is dangerous.
Pink salt, man.
Pink salt.
Pink salt.
Okay. Big salt ke yeah, the cruise is dangerous.
Mara kutile mangosi mangara chiefs ya tshwana man.
Yeah, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. If you can check, if you can check how we are playing. And look at Batman when he brought him. Look at Fundo. Look at Chislet. Look at Rick Foster, the position that he was playing today. It's not the position that was playing with those plumbers before. So if one it means one out to be ball. If you say we still look like yesterday, then our team Kaizer Chiefs. The Kaizer Chiefs of yesterday, was yesterday.
It's today.
Yeah, sea salt.
Yeah.
Pink salt. It's a pink salt. It's a pink salt.
Yeah, this season pink salt. Operation Teka.